Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic today is about differential equations. So now I want to show you how to answer. We have x squared, y squared. They are degree number 2. So this is about homogeneous. So I will put about y equal to vx. Later that we do first derivative for the both sides. This one we have dv over dx multiplied by x. This one we have number 1, so we just have only v. This is about the product rule of the derivative. So this one I will put in here. Y we change by vx. Next, we simplify x squared for the both sides. So in this situation, if we put the square root for the both sides, so we have two equations. The first one, that is about this one, equals to the square root of 1 plus v squared. And the second one, that is about the negative. Now I will go to the first one. So I will put v gone here. And we have negative v. Later that this one I will put on the left, the s and s will put on the right. Next, I will put the integration for the both sides. Now I will concentrate on this one. So we can use about integration by hyperbolic substitution. So I will put about v equal to sin t. Later that we do first derivative for the both sides, and we have dv equal to cos t dt. So I will put this one gone here and here. dv we change by this one. We know that 1 plus sin t squared, we have cos t squared. And this one we have cos t. Next, we need to multiply by cos t plus sin t on numerator and denominator. So this one we simplify. And we have this one equals to number 1. Now we can simplify in here. We have cos t squared plus cos t sin t dt. Next, we have the formula cos t squared equals to cos 2t plus 1 over 2. And the second one, 2 cos t sin t equal to sin 2t. So this one we don't have number 2, so I will put about 2 over 2. So cos t square we change by this one. 2 cos t sin t we change by sin 2t. And now I will put 1 over 2 go outside. And now we have the final answer. The integration of cos 2t, we have 1 over 2 sin 2t. Number 1, that is about t. This one we have 1 over 2 cos 2t. And I will put about c. About t, that is about this one. So we have t equal to option of v. So I will put this one to change for t. Now we go back in here. So the integration of this one, that is about this one. This one we have ln of the absolute value of s, and I will put about c. About v, that is about this one. So we divide both sides by s. And now we need to change v into this one. Now we can do similar for the second one. So I will put v go to the right. Negative and negative I will put on the left. So this one I will put on the left, the s and s will put on the right. Negative side I will put in here. Next I will put the integration for the both sides. Now we use the same formula in here. So this one I will change by sin t. Similar for this one in here. This one we change by cos t dt. So this one we have cos t square. This one we have cos t. Now we need to multiply by cos t minus sin t on numerator and denominator. So this one we have cos t square minus sin t square. We simplify and we have cos t square minus sin t cos t dt. So if we look carefully, this is similar for the first one we just do in here. Now I just change the sign of this one. I will change positive into negative. And now we go back in here. So the interaction of this one, that is about this one. This one we have ln of the absolute value of s. And here is about the second. And now we change v into y over s. That is the end. Thank you for watching.